If you've lost access to your WaFd bank account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the WaFd Bank website. Go to the official WaFd Bank website using a secure internet connection. Look for the login section to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve providing personal information or answering security questions to confirm that you are the account owner. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password and save it securely for future access. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your WaFd bank account without your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WaFd Bank's customer support for further assistance.